You've probably heard the rumor, DPF cleaning is just a scam. You may have even considered removing it completely. But the truth is, it's actually one of the most important parts of your diesel engine's emission system. Keep it clean, and you'll get better fuel mileage, more power, and an engine that lasts longer. At West End Rad, we offer advanced regeneration for filters of all shapes and sizes at all 3 of our locations in Winnipeg, Saskatoon, and Estevan. Here's how we do it. First, we run a pressure flow test so you can get a real before and after comparison of your filter. Then, it goes in our 1200 degree Fahrenheit oven for a full bake to burn off the soot and loosen up the tough ash. After that, we blast it clean and, if needed, replace things like sensor bungs or gaskets from our OEM replacement inventory. Finally, we test it again so you can see the before and after numbers yourself. As you can see, before cleaning, your filter's packed with soot and ash that hurt engine performance. After a deep clean, that buildup is gone, giving you better fuel economy, more power, and longer gaps between servicing. To make it even easier to get your filter cleaned, we now offer free pickup and delivery to and from any of our 3 locations. So don't waste fuel driving with a clogged filter. Call us today at 1-877-RADCORE and get your DPF, DOC, SCR, or EGR cleaned and back in service fast.